welcome back to my channel. My name is Nathan JT and today we are making a cookie brownie cake. And some of you really wanted me to do a baking video, so I was like, I'm up for that. So I have all the ingredients right here, got a mixer right here, so I'm pretty much all set for this video. And let's hope nothing terrible goes on in this video like it does in the past. But let's just get started with the video. So let's make the cookie mix first, because why not? So it calls for 1.5 cups of flour. So here's our flour right here. We're gonna put this right here. And then let's just measure out some of this stuff because we just need to. Okay. This is what I learned in home ec. Just do that. Just get an accurate measure. Whee! Fun. Yeah. This is gonna be a mess. I hate working with flour. It's like the most messiest thing you can get into, you know? So we got our 1.5 cups of flour. Now it says 3 1/4 cups of butter. Okay, so we need 3 sticks of this stuff. I'm just making my mom's cookie recipe. We're probably not using every bit of it because this makes like a big cookies, like huge cookies. I say my cookies are delicious on YouTube, but honestly, my mom's is like people can make cookies way better than I can. I just do it for like clickbait or whatever. Hopefully this wasn't supposed to be softened because I'm just kept taking it out of the package. I just wasted it. Oops. Okay. So now let's throw this away. Now it says 1 cup of brown sugar. Ooh, okay. Got brown sugar all over the place on the counter, but that is fine. That's what we do in these cooking videos. I did wash my hands before this, just to let you know. I'm not doing this again. It says 1/2 cup of sugar. So we got 1/2 cup. It probably has some flour with particles on it, but that's okay. This is 1/2 cup, yeah, it's 1/2 cup. 2 teaspoons. 1, 1 large egg. Okay. Woo! Let's do this. I'm gonna mix this up, actually. Let's put this on low speed. I'm moving this over here. Oh, okay. Low speed. Excuse you, you're not supposed to do that. Maybe I was supposed to soften up the butter. So while that thing's doing some crazy things, let's get this egg dough, or whatever it is. We just need to get the egg dough down here. So after this thing had its tantrum, I'm gonna put in some of these eggs that I got yesterday. These eggs in here. These chocolate eggs, because why not? I probably need to chop these up though. Chopped up some chocolate stuff from like some kind of eggs from Easter. Since it is pretty close to Easter, I decided to do that. And put in our cookie mix because we don't have no chocolate chips. So this will be substituting hot chocolate chips. I don't know, you just put as many as you want. Chocolate chips in there. I'm just doing this just to see what's gonna happen because I honestly don't know. And I use this instead of a knife because it's like a potato smasher, I guess. So it's pretty good with this kind of stuff. I think we are done with our cookie mixture. So let's just clean this out. I'm so funny. Okay. I don't know why I'm gonna put the brownie mixture in a smaller bowl, but I'm just saying, just like that. Okay, so we're finished with our cookie stuff, and we're just gonna move it on to the side, and we're gonna move this to the side because that's probably looks super ugly. So we're on to our brownies. So that's what makes this possible. So we have 1 cup of sugar. So where's our cup of sugar? Okay, there's our cup. Let's get 1 cup. Oh, okay, that's good. Enough. 1 cup of sugar. There we go. 2 eggs. Let's do that. Whee! Go that way. Another egg. Okay. We have 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Got that. Okay. 1/3 cups of cocoa powder. There we go. Okay. Okay, what else is on here? 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. So, yeah. I'm not gonna accurately measure that, but our cookie mixture is delicious. I just wanted to say that. Was we supposed to put any oil in this? Oh, we were supposed to do the butter. Duh! Oh, that's nice and greasy. Oh, okay. Let's turn this super high and just let it mix for a minute. So we got our pan. We're gonna put our chocolate mixture in. I know I'm off to a great start. You don't have to tell me, watch. Okay, so we're pouring our brownie mixture in. I don't think this is even enough, but okay, so I've got cookies. So now we're gonna put some of the cookie mixture in this, which I think some of the brownie mixture is already in that. So, come on. I'm gonna do a dot of cookie mixture right there. Cookie mixture right there. Brownie and cookie mixture. It looks very, very good. So let's hope once we get it out of the oven to like 15 to 20 minutes that everything will go right. See you guys in like 15 to 20 minutes once this gets out of the oven, and we'll see what happened to our brownie cookie mixture. We took the cookie brownie cake out of the oven, and now it's just time to like cut it. Okay, so let's just cut it into little squares. Take one out. Let's take this out. Okay. I'm gonna try this, and we're gonna see how it went. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna get a fork, and I'm just gonna try it, and then we're gonna make like a plate full of these. Is that butter? Oh no, that's something else. It's pretty good. It's super rich. So I recommend you getting some milk. I'm actually gonna get me some right now. So here's most of the stuff that we made today, and I really enjoy this. I think it's a good recipe. Even though I didn't follow like a cookie brownie recipe, I wanted to use my mom's cookie recipe that she makes cookies with, and then get some random brownie recipe from online. And it didn't fluff up as much as I wanted it to, but it tastes good. It's not bad. It doesn't taste like just a piece of crap. So I say you should make these if you don't have chocolate chips, or you just you feel too lazy to go to the store and get the ingredients just to make this. If you have video ideas that you want me to do, then leave a comment down below because I will do them. If you did enjoy this video, then please do leave a big fat thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please go down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those bell notifications. You will never miss out on a video that I upload. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.